For the first year on our new land, me and Jimmy have decided to spend this initial time to observe and experiment as much as possible on a small scale, without pressuring ourselves with a big plantation project and a heavy workload. Instead, we took this time as an opportunity to learn about our soil, climate, and what works best on our land. That's why we're planting a small-scale syntropic experiment focused on diversity and high density, to see what works best for next plantations in the same conditions. We welcome mistakes and failures because it means we tried it, and for next time we know with certainty what works and what doesn't, saving us a lot of time trying to correct it afterwards. Because of the small surface, we don't have any pressure on achieving any type of results. We decided to prepare 30 meters of tree line, divided in 2 lines of 15 meters each, with 2 garden beds in the middle. At first, we decompacted and weeded diligently by hand, which took a very long time and lots of effort. By the end, our method changed into a faster flow of double dig and throwing the weedy patches under the soil. In the tree lines, we planted bareroot pomegranates, mulberries, fig cuttings, seeds of kaki, Japanese loquat, almonds, acorn, cypress, and as support plant, poplar and willow cuttings, eucalyptus, eleagnus, bay laurel, coronilla, rosemary, wild olives, and a few others. As vegetable production, we've sown broad beans, peas, garlic, onion, salad, spinach, and radishes. Our idea was to concentrate fertility, organizing resources as wood, compost, wood chips, water on a small surface and from there spread in other directions. We collected driftwood from the river and organized it along the tree lines and on the paths, and then covered it with wood chips in order for it to stay moist and protected from the sun, to be able to decompose and enrich the soil. Together with the wood chips, they act as a water battery, keeping the soil protected from the drying winds and the heat. In the last garden bed, we had no desire to decompact and weed by hand, so we decided to prepare it with the no-dig method by Charles Dowding by laying cardboard straight on the untouched ground and cover that with a thick layer of compost, in which you can plant straight away. The lesson of these months seems to be: take small steps and you will go very far. Because when you're doing what you really love, you get energy from it, which motivates you to do even more. While if you force yourself to do something you dislike, it takes a lot of energy from you and you're left empty.